Well, this is my first attempt at liver pate. There's garlic and black pepper. I'll put some more stuff in there, and I'll eat half of this with rice, and the rest I'll make pate with. Pate. Well, I've added some of the water, some of the black pepper, some of the liver, and I put some sesame seed oil and some onions, and some garlic, some chili, and some cloves. And this I'm going to make the gel. This is gelatin. So when I've blended that, I'm going to blend that in a minute. Then I'm going to mix this gelatin in there. And then when this is all blended, I'll pour that on top. So we're going to have like a gelatin topping on it. Should be quite interesting. I've never done this before.